In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Roblox gift card. Whether you're topping up your own account or sending a quick present to someone else, the process is simple and secure when you use the official Roblox store. First, head to the official Roblox store in your web browser. Navigate from the Roblox homepage or type the store address directly. Take a second to confirm you're on the genuine site by checking the web address and the secure lock icon. This protects you from lookalike pages. On the store page, choose the Roblox Gift Card option. You'll see a clear section dedicated to gift cards. We're focusing on the digital version today because it's delivered by email and is available almost instantly. Next, pick the amount you want. Common values include $10, $25, or $50, and availability can vary by region. If you're buying for a younger player, consider how far that amount will go toward Robux or Premium. And remember that taxes or currency conversion may affect the final value. Add your selection to the cart by clicking Buy or Add to Cart. Before you proceed, glance over your order summary to confirm the amount and quantity. If you're purchasing more than one, make sure each gift card shows up correctly. Now, enter your payment method. You can pay with a credit card, a debit card, or a supported digital wallet. Enter your billing details carefully and double-check the email address, since that's where the code will be delivered. For a smooth checkout, ensure the billing zip or postal code matches your card's records. After payment is processed, you'll receive the gift card code by email. You may also see a confirmation screen with your code. If the email doesn't appear within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folder. Keep the code private and save a copy somewhere secure until it's redeemed. Finally, use the code on the Roblox website to add credit to your account. Sign in to the Roblox account you want to fund, go to the redeem page, and enter the code exactly as shown. Watch for similar-looking characters. Click Redeem, then verify that your balance or Robux has updated. If you run into an error, ensure the code hasn't already been used and that you're on the correct regional site. That's it. Quick, safe, and convenient. If it's a present, share the code securely with the recipient and remind them to redeem it on their own account, keeping it private until it's successfully applied.